Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video of my Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color navy. Alright, let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay. Inside each box, you'll get your product, a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second, but first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by doing 360 view. Okay, and then we will remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips, and just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS or British Standard, so you have peace of mind buying this product. Also, it has the 3 terminal hole screws here. So this is a 2-way 2-gang light switch. So you can control your light from 2 separate locations with this guy. If you needed an intermediate, these are interchangeable, these modules, so you can just pop that out, put an intermediate in there, which will have 4 terminal hole screws, and you can control your light from 3 separate locations with that one. Okay, they are interchangeable. Same thing with the plates. So if you get tired of the color that you have, or you simply just want to change it, you can just put a new one on without dropping it, nice and easily, just like that. Okay, let's take that off, put our original one back on, that, and then we'll take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. So if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. And finally, in the bottom right-hand corner here, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and finally, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the back here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-gang 2-way, NV for the color navy. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. The other one was for the instructional page. And finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner here, a recycling symbol. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.